How to get paid on YouTube for beginners guys in 2020. 9 steps, bonus 3 tips to expand your income and make money on YouTube. You are now in the same platform of YouTubers who have generated over $10 million in 1 year. One takeaway from this video could change your life forever. So if you are in right now, it could be you to generate another $10 million in 1 year. And you want step-by-step guide to getting paid on YouTube, then watch this video before it's gone. This video is possibly the most comprehensive guide for beginner you can find on YouTube. Maybe you think you don't need it right now, but I bet it will save you a lot of time when you need it. So add it to your playlist now, just in case. By the way, this video could be deleted anytime by my cats when I'm not paying attention. So make sure you keep it in somewhere safe yourself and watch it from beginning to end now, just in case. Don't worry, in the end of this video, I'll provide a link for you to download the free step-by-step guide PDF document of this video. Do you want to begin your very own YouTube channel? Or maybe you currently have one, as well as asking yourself just how you can make your leisure activity an income generating job. Let's discover how it works together. Major YouTube channels can earn a profit from their video clips, and also it's a good amount of income if you are just seriously considering making YouTube your primary income source. Where should I start? What are the steps on how to get paid on YouTube, make money, and to succeed on YouTube in 2020 and beyond? If you have been thinking about this for a long time, you don't want to miss this video. After you watch this video, you will get everything you need to know about how to start your own YouTube channel and get paid on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to explain all the basics and break down the walkthrough how to get paid on YouTube into 9 steps for you to begin with. It's all you need to know step by step, and actually I have added 3 more bonus tips for you today to not only get paid by YouTube, but also to leverage YouTube to expand your income in 2020. So stay tuned, let's find out together. If we are just meeting, my name is Eric Yan. I'm here on AStarBorn.com, updating our YouTube videos and blog posts every week, sharing some business ideas and strategies that help you build your influence online. And make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips and tools every week and all year long. How to get paid on YouTube for beginners in 2020. Let's simply dive right into this. YouTube is an absolutely phenomenal platform. It enables creators from throughout the world to not only share their ideas, but collaborate with the public, yet also who are living from it. There are still lots of skeptical people that do not think it is possible to make money on YouTube. In fact, there are numerous successful YouTubers that have made fortune online. YouTube is just one of the ways you can end up being an internet sensation, and also, if you are lucky, an online millionaire. Developed by some stats and examples of how much YouTubers actually make. YouTube pays out 55% of its AdSense income, so for every single $100 a marketer pays, Google pays $55 to the YouTube channel. The real prices marketer pays varies, usually in between 10 cents to 30 cents per click-through, yet averages out at 18 cents per click-through. Around 15% of audiences actually watch the requisite 30 seconds of a video ad to count for payment. This implies that for 1,000 views, 150 people are likely to view an ad. The click-through rate, CTR, or engagement rate, is averaged out at 15%. Generally, the YouTube channel can earn $18 per 1,000 ad click-through. With about 15% click-through rate, this equates to $1.49 per 1,000 video views. Who were the highest paid YouTube superheroes of 2019? You are now in the same platform of YouTubers who have generated over $10 million in 1 year. Let's take a look at the highest paid YouTube superheroes of 2019. Number 9, but not scamming, $11.5 million. Number 8, Dan TTM, $12 million. Number 7, PewDiePie tied with Markiplier, $13 million. Number 6, Preston, $14 million. Number 5, Jeffree Star, $17 million. Number 4, Brandon Lim, $17.5 million. Number 3, Anastasia Redzinskaya, $18 million. Number 2, Do It Perfect, $20 million. Number 1, Ryan Kaji, $26 million. The highest earner is an 8-year-old boy taking home $26 million in 2019. When can I start generating income on YouTube? You don't get paid for the hour, you get paid for the value you bring to the hour quoted from Jim Rohn. The concern you frequently speak with creators is when can I start generating income on YouTube? The very first point you need to do is obviously begin your own YouTube channel if you have not currently. Here I'm going to break down the walkthrough into 9 steps for you to begin with. 9 steps how to get paid on YouTube. 1. Start your own YouTube channel. The amazing of YouTube is that your channel can be about almost anything. You can make contents of brief and educational animations or share your way of life, singing, dancing, or performing. The choices are limitless. 2. Name your YouTube channel. Your YouTube account is probably the exact same as your Google account, and also you can either utilize it or set up a new one. It's much better to pick your username very carefully. Since the much more complex it is, the less opportunity there is that you will succeed. It must be something very easy as well as memorable to ensure that your audience will not be saying, I saw an awesome video on that YouTube channel, but I do not remember the name. That being said, if your current channel name is just not benefiting you, that's not an issue. Simply edit it on your Google Plus account as well as you are great to go. 3. Add keywords. The more audiences that discover your channel, the much better. So do remember to include keywords phrases connected to your video content in the advanced section of your YouTube channel settings. 4. Build an audience. You need an audience since you have a YouTube channel now. It's time to work with your video content and also upload it. You need to locate your very own subjects and also find your distinct design. Try your best to make your videos longer than 10 minutes and also always ensure that your audience won't get bored. Your goal is to keep the audiences interested in every second of it. And also, do remember text and keyword phrases that have a target market in the topic to locate your videos. 5. Constancy and consistency. You require to make consistent videos that viewers are enjoying. Obviously, nothing occurs immediately, and your video clips and also your video quality will certainly grow with you. Take a look at some of the initial video clips by popular YouTubers. They are not as amazing as what they are doing now, right? So, try to update your content, purchase a much better video camera, use some better editing software application, and so forth. The key point, nevertheless, is constancy, which means to upload video clips constantly and frequently. If you only upload videos 1 or 2 times per month, your target audience will get you very soon if your content is not something unique or one of a kind. So, maintain the speed of at least 1 video clip a week. By doing this, your audiences will be waiting impatiently for the next week to see what your next new video will be. Monetization. This is where everything starts. You can monetize your channel and also generate income from your video clips. Simply go to my channel and click the video manager. Click the channel again as well as select Enable Monetization and done. Now, YouTube will certainly put advertisements in your video. Yet keep in mind that to make it all work and also make real cash, you need to have a constant audience that will enjoy your video clips. Share your video clips in your social media sites and also engage with your audiences regularly to keep it personal. Your audience will certainly discover you and afterward, they'll stay. 7. To qualify for YouTube Partner Program. Like everything on YouTube, it's crucial that your content follows YouTube's community guidelines. If it does make sense to you, you can set up with the YPP, which allows you to monetize your videos on YouTube. To qualify for YPP, there's a basic requirement. You need to be in good standing with YouTube, having 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers to begin to get paid on YouTube. If it's essential, you can monetize your own videos too by opening Video Manager and clicking the dollar button alongside them. YouTube set these requirements to recognize if you are a good citizen on the platform to ensure YouTube has enough data to review your channel. Note, you cannot apply to YPP before you pass the watch hour and subscriber thresholds. They will update your progress towards completing these requirements in Monetization tab in YouTube Studio. You also can be notified with an email once you are eligible to apply. Once your channel does complete these requirements, you'll have to sign the partner program terms and also sign up for a Google AdSense account. So this is how to get paid on YouTube. You can do it free of charge at AdSense website. After this process is completed, your channel will be reviewed against YouTube's policies. If everything looks okay, you can get paid from ads and from YouTube Premium subscribers when they are watching your videos. By the way, once you are accepted for the YPP, there are various other income streams besides ads that you can use, such as channel membership or a super chat, as long as you satisfy their requirements and also they are readily available in your nation. If you're younger than 18 years of age, ask your mother and father to assist you. AdSense will need a PayPal account or legitimate address to recognize who you are and who to send out the cash to. So that's YPP in a nutshell. 8. Analytics. One more crucial point for any YouTuber or blog writer is analytics. It's generally your comments to assist you to discover which subjects actually resonate with your target market and also vice versa. Every YouTuber checks it on a regular basis, so if you are still constructing your target market, take notice of those numbers and data. They can tell you basically anything about your visitors and also subscribers and provide you ideas on just how to improve. 9. License your content. If one of your video clips occurs to go viral, there's likewise a method to get profit from it. But simply, you can license your video content in exchange for cash now. Media outlets, TV news, as well as various other creators will need to get to you for the legal rights to utilize your video clip. Bonus 3 tips to leverage YouTube to expand your income. Tip 1. Start marketing your own product. You can likewise start marketing your very own product when your YouTube channel begins to become a lot more noticeable. Certainly, it takes much more effort and also work, but it's extremely satisfying for both the enjoyment of your customers and also your bank account. And also with awesome merch, you can get back at many more clients, as people will certainly ask others where they got such trendy things. Even more audiences will look into what you are everything about. After that, enter into your target market. There are lots of cost-effective, brilliant sites that can help you with that, like Fiverr, as well as many others. Simply look for more details on any type of concerns you have and spend some time to think of it. Tip 2. Affiliate marketing. While we get on the subject of marketing things, you can also offer various other people's items as an affiliate online marketer, which means that you marketing them in exchange for a commission. Also, big companies like Amazon and eBay.com provide large amounts to affiliate marketers advertising their items, so it will not be an issue to go with it if you determine to. Tip 3. Sponsorship with specific business. That being said, it might change and also impact your video content as you need to review your affiliate items. Leave links to them in the description section and even make just how-to tutorials which aren't that negative for a lifestyle blog. However, it might not be appropriate for blog sites with very other things. Seeking sponsorship with specific businesses for advertisements can also be a super option. Troubleshooting. What if your channel isn't approved? Now I'm going to walk you through some of the most common questions. The very first is around content reviews. Say you assume your channel certifies for YPP, yet it hasn't been assessed yet. Well, YouTube generally returns to you in about 1 month when you pass the review limits. However, you can see extra regarding your status in the monetization page in YouTube Studio. Until then, keep making terrific content as well as concentrating on building your target audience. An additional concern that shows up: what happens if your channel isn't authorized? If you are not approved for YPP, it's likely because your channel does not fulfill the YPP policies and also community guidelines. In which instance, you can reapply once again in 1 month as long as you still meet the watch hour as well as subscriber thresholds. Before you reapply, I recommend you review these policies. There will be a link in the description section of this video, and go to the monetization webpage in your account and access your video clips with YPP policies and community guidelines in mind. The following step is to modify or delete any kind of video clips that breach these policies. As soon as you succeed in the program, creators come and ask, do I have to meet this threshold every year? The brief answer is no. That being said, you do need to stay energetic with uploads as well as community blog posts. If you are inactive on your channel for 6 months and also drop below the limit, YouTube may eliminate your channel from the YPP. Conclusion: how to get paid on YouTube for beginners in 2020. Figure out what you love to do, then figure out how to get paid to do it. Quoted from Nick Offerman. But simply, All you need to succeed on YouTube is determination, imagination, hard work, as well as idea in on your own, simply similar to any type of other work out there. So, what are you awaiting? Begin to share your concepts and production now, as well as transform your ever leisure activity right into your dream job. The first step is to take action. That's gonna take work and it's gonna take time. It's a good timing for you to start your channel in 2020. If you need the more actionable mindset and strategy you can use right now, then be sure to watch these videos. That being said, thanks for being here again. By the time you're seeing this, there should be the link in the description section for you to download the free step-by-step PDF document of this video. I hope you enjoyed the content that I brought to you today. If you find it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below and let me know. In the next video, I'll tell you how long will it take to make money on YouTube. And make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips and tools every week and all be alone. I'm here on AStarBorn.com, updating our YouTube videos and blog posts every week. I'm Eric and hope to see you in the next video.